today's video, I want to show you guys how to make a simple Fortnite thumbnail for YouTube. What we're going to use today is Adobe Photoshop. As you can see, you don't have to have Adobe, that's what I'm using, but the steps are the same for pretty much any software. Before we get into the video, make sure you leave a like, hit subscribe if you're not already. Let's get right into it. We have Adobe Photoshop opened up. And for YouTube, you're always going to want 1280 by 720. And this is going to bring us here to our blank page. For this video, I'm editing a thumbnail for my friend. He wants a Fortnite thumbnail, so that's what we're going to be doing. So the first thing we're doing is we're going to Google and we're going to go pick out our image of the character that he's using. This photo, as you can see, already has the background. So what we have to do is remove that. And we're going to be real quick about this. I'm going to kind of skip through it. But what you're going to do is you're basically just going to cut around this. It's a little bit more tedious, but it's for my friends, so we're going to make it work. Do this, and it doesn't have to be exact because whenever you do add effects and stuff, it's gonna look really good, I promise. It's gonna trace around the outside, and I'm gonna fast forward so you guys don't have to watch this. And cut this out because you don't want this to be a different color than the background. And then we create that vector mask, and then boom, we have our Ray image, and it's a PNG now. So what you can do is you can go here and you can move it around, add your own effects to it, and then we're gonna add our own background so that basically you can make your own thumbnail with your own background, your own text, and your own image with any image you want. Making thumbnails for me is just kind of playing around, seeing what looks good and trying different things. And then what I like to do is go to Google and find a cool background, something like this. Save the image to your computer, and then you want this on top. So you can kind of see it coming together now. I'm gonna do some like outer glow or something on Ray, make her look cool. Let's do like some blue, because that's something like that, some Jedi blue color. And then maybe add like a drop shadow. Let's see how that looks. And I also think that we need to add a stroke to Ray, make her look a little cleaner. Okay, move that down a little bit. Yeah, so I really don't like the look of that background, honestly, so I'm gonna take that color overlay off. We can take it and add some text, try to make this come together. Let's do so what I'll do is take this first one, and before we really do anything to it, we're gonna get it to like the colors that we want. I like to add like some outer glow or drop shadow or something, maybe some stroke. What color would look good? I don't know. We play with it and see. We can also do multicolor. That's if you do gradient overlay, maybe something like that. And you can play with it. You see it's moving, making it move different. And then here you can take it and switch to a font that you like. I don't know, I usually just kind of scroll through and whatever catches my eye gets the call that day. See what I'm saying? Maybe we can take off the drop shadow. I feel like it's too dark in this picture right now, so we'll take off the drop shadow, add outer glow, and see, we're doing something. We're really doing something now. See, now it's starting to come together, and this is just simple, baby. It's simple. Follow along with me. Duplicate layer. Yes. Pull this down here. No, we don't want best. We want best clips. Here we go. What does that look like to you guys? You like that? If you want to get real crazy, you take this, you make sure that you select the right layer, the background, and then you go to your paint tool and you raster size or whatever that's called. And you can, sometimes I'll do this, I don't know if I'm going to do it on this one, but I'm just going to show you guys in case you want to. I'm going to pull the size down, and we can change this to like a really cool blue. Oh yeah. I'm not gonna act like I'm a graphic design student or anything, but this is a cool thumbnail, like come on. I still might change it up a little bit before I send it to him, but I just wanted to get you guys the base concepts of how to make an easy thumbnail. But anyways, that's it for the video. If you enjoyed it, please do hit that like button, subscribe if you're not already, and go watch all my other videos and drop a like on them too. I post every day, 9 AM, so until next time, peace.